If you are a developer and you are still not sure about what these LLMs are, join me while I try to explain them in the simplest possible way. I am Ahmet. I'm a senior Python backend developer. I've been building applications around these LLMs for the last 3 years, and I want to explain what these LLMs are. Currently, these LLMs are taking over the world. There's multiple reasons behind it actually. First of all, you can do almost anything that you can do with your computer. Things like creating a game, making a website, writing a code, creating a new library, fixing a bug that's been bothering you for the last 30 minutes, maybe. What you can do with these are almost beyond imagination. If you think about it, you can most probably do it with an LLM if you write the correct prompt. When I try to explain prompts to my colleagues, I always like to explain it with an analogy. The analogy is actually, these LLMs are autocomplete on steroids. What I mean by autocomplete on steroids is, basically, imagine you've read every book in the world and you are trying to guess what the next word of the book you are currently reading in. That's simply how these LLMs work. Basically, when you are giving a prompt, you are explaining something to a baby. So, baby doesn't know anything. It kinda has an idea because it learned it, it's seen it somewhere. Maybe it read an article about it. Maybe it's seen a bug fix on Stack Overflow related specifically to your case. And it kind of has an idea. When you give a prompt to it, you are basically saying to it, this is my problem, fix it. This is my problem, please find me a solution. Or maybe, this is my thesis, just summarize it, I will explain it to my teacher. That's some possible use cases that you can do. Actually, in the real world, there is a lot more different use cases that you can do. Things like chatbots, for example. You can make a chatbot to answer any questions related to the product that you are trying to sell. Let's say you are selling a computer and you want to give all the details of your computer, like what kind of hardware did you choose, what kind of software does it have, and you create a chatbot with it. So when someone asks a question on it, they will get an answer. Maybe in a whole different area, maybe you want to talk to a philosopher. You can do that. You can just say, act to me like you are Plato, for example, and you want to get some answers behind your questions. You can achieve those actually, and achieve them really, really simply. Maybe you want to write a code. You found a bug in your code. Or maybe you've been working on a project that you couldn't finish. You just put it aside, you let it go for a while and you want to finish it. You can just explain what you are doing to these LLMs and they will finish it, they will complete it for you. Or maybe you are a student, you are trying to finish the university and you've written a thesis and your teacher said, can you give me a little summary on it? You can just give the whole thesis to the LLM and it will summarize it for you. And these are just, trust me, these are just the top of the iceberg. If you want to go further down below, you can join my journey while I try to explain all these LLM related topics, maybe some cultural things in somewhere, we'll see about it. Especially if you're a developer, you should give furthermore attention to these LLMs. There's actually multiple reasons behind it. First of all, you can easily understand and use what are these models. So you want to create a new tool for specifically your project that you are working on. You can do that. Let's say you are doing something every day, like 5 times, and you want to automate it. You want to write a code that will do it for you. Well, you can write the code for yourself, or you can just go ahead and ask it to an LLM to write the code for you, and then you will just run it, debug it, fix it. Oh no, you can do those with LLMs too. Yeah, that's basically how LLMs work. You can create a project from scratch really, really easily with these LLMs. You can learn new job skills. For example, I was really into carpentry and I wanted to get into carpentry a bit. So what I did, I first of all tried to research on which places give education on carpentry. Found some places, did more research on them, found someone that I would really like to go. Personally, it was sweeting to me. I did all of these with LLMs. You can easily achieve anything that you want as a developer, especially. You can make everything faster for yourself, everything easier for yourself. While there's disadvantages for you, do not run from it, just use it. If this helped you, please just write a comment. If you have any questions, please write it. And hopefully I will later on show you how to build a simple fast API application on top of these LLMs. Take care.